Hey, what's up guys, Phil here, and this is a review for the iRocket soap dispenser. You'll receive the liquid soap bottle, the pump dispenser, and dispensing straw. The straw measures 6¼ inches in length, and it's long enough to reach the bottom of the soap bottle. On the pump, the threaded section can be removed, and the straw installs into the pump by simply pushing it into the bottom of the neck. The threaded tube has internal threads as well for attaching the soap bottle. I like that the bottle is clear so you can see exactly how much soap is left in it. Once installed, the pump drops right into the bottle. The dispenser is made entirely of metal and chromed for durability with a beautiful finish. The pump action is smooth and fluid, and it doesn't take a lot of effort to depress fully. The soap will be dispensed straight down from the tip. The threaded tube attaches to your countertop using this plastic nut, and there's a rubber washer under the cap to prevent water from seeping under it. Let's go ahead and install this in my kitchen sink. From the top of the counter, remove the plastic nut and drop the threaded tube and pump assembly into the cutout for the soap dispenser. The hole should be at least 1 inch in diameter, but no more than 1.5 inches. Then under the sink, thread the plastic nut onto the tube and tighten all the way up to the underside of the countertop. Next, screw on the soap bottle into the bottom of the tube. If you haven't already, attach the straw to the pump, then drop it into the retaining ring. The dispenser fills easily from the top. Just remove the pump and pour in the liquid soap. The bottle can hold about 12 ounces of liquid. When pressing the pump, a full push dispenses a healthy dollop of soap, about a half teaspoon. The pump works well, and it looks great with my stainless steel sink. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.